Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the Fermi energy level inside the semiconductors. So Fermi energy level it is the indicator level of energy inside the band diagram of the semiconductor. We have already discussed about the Fermi energy, that is Fermi energy we have denoted this Fermi energy by EF. Now we will replace this Fermi energy inside the band diagram of the semiconductor. So from the band diagram we know there will be a conduction band and there will be a valence band. So this is the conduction band and this is the valence band. The maximum energy level of the valence band we have denoted it as E suffix V, and this is the EC energy level, that is the lowest minimum energy level of the conduction band. Now Fermi energy level is the pictorial view of the Fermi energy EF inside the band diagram. So the Fermi energy level will be an virtual energy level EF within the band gap of the semiconductor, that is the EG. So this EF is nothing but an indicator level of the Fermi energy EF inside the band gap of the semiconductor, and this is all about the Fermi energy level of the semiconductor. Thank you.